Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again we are talking about the Siacoin. What's the current price of the Siacoin? What's the price change occurred in the Siacoin? What is the next move of Siacoin? And friends, especially in this video I'm talking about the very biggest mistake of the Siacoin holders doing at this time friends. Please my friends, don't do this mistake and be safe from loss friends. Absolutely, if you do this mistake, so you are in the loss, and if you don't do this mistake, so absolutely you are in the profit friends. For more details, keep watch this video till the end friends, and if you are new to my channel, please like this video and subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates video friends. Let's start the video friends. Let's move on friends. First of all, we talk about the current price of the Siacoin. 0.031137 USD dollar is the current price of the Siacoin. And friends, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Siacoin, so as you can see here, only the last 1 hour price change is positive, except of the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week price change is going negative. What's the reason behind that? Why the price change is going negative? There is only one reason. Due to the selling of people friends, and a lot of holders doing this mistake at this time, then they start selling Siacoin friends. As you can see here, now absolutely the Siacoin will give you good amount of profit in the future friends, but now unfortunately currently a lot of people want to sell Siacoin, and they as you can see, if you sell just suppose it, if you sell Siacoin on this price, so absolutely you are in the loss, because as you can see here the price change is negative 27.49%. the price change is negative, so if you sell it on this rate, on this price, so absolutely you are in the loss friends. And if you sell it when the after in the last of this month friends, so absolutely I hope that in the future they will take a jump and the price become positive, so I hope that they will give you good amount of profit in the future friends, as compared to currently situation friends. The current situation is very bad of Siacoin. Please my friends, don't do this mistake and don't sell Siacoin on this time friends. When the price change become positive, when they take a high jump, and when you feel then I'm in a profit, then you sell Siacoin friends. That's how you can make a good amount of profit with the Siacoin friends. Anyways friends, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrencies, please do your own research friends. Friends, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.